What is going on, guys? So I haven't made a video in a pretty long time, and I'm going to Spirit Drift event this weekend, and I'm taking the Safiro. So I wanted to record a video Sunday when I go, and I just had this short shifter come in for my E36, so I'd record a little bit of this too. So I just got this E36 short shifter in. I'm gonna put it in my convertible, and also we're gonna prep the Safiro today for the drift event. Short shifter, just the little $15–20 eBay short shifter. We'll see how it is. First thing, remove your shift knob. Remove this plastic clip that holds your boot in. Oh, I got a zip tie on here. I gotta cut this real quick. Now we got the car up in the air, and I need to remove the clip that holds the shifter selector rod. I'll try to show you it right now. Alright, so right here, got the selecting rod out now. It's just this little clip holding it on. Just put a flathead right at the tip of it and push up, it'll come right out. Alright, so then you come back up in the car. Now you have to get this little plastic retaining clip out. So you get some needle nose pliers. You gotta push these in, turn it clockwise, and it should come right out. Then just go ahead, drop your next one in, and then you have a snap ring that goes onto the bottom that holds it in place. Alright, so got the short shifter installed. It was a bitch getting the bottom snap ring in, but these are how short throws are now. They are pretty short. And it definitely sits a little towards like 5th gear side now. But it's whatever. Right, well, this video was kind of like all over the place. I just put in a little bit of mini bike footage from me and Boris riding just because I want to get more familiar with the GoPro and everything, and I just haven't really used it yet, and I want to use it for this drift event coming up. So I just got this GoPro mount to clip onto my roll cage, and hopefully get some good shots for you guys this weekend. I'm also going to record on my phone and try and make like a little vlog. But yeah. Just walk.
What the bullshit?
This one's not happening. I don't have enough run up. No, that shit was thick. It is. It's not that bad though. Alright, so we just got the Pep Boy special. Alright, so we're actually on the way back to Pep Boys right now. They didn't actually have the right insert for it, so I gotta go switch that out real quick. So this shift knob actually made it way better because the adapter made it a little higher, and then the shift knob was higher too. Just give it more leverage, and it goes into gear so much better now than that low thing. It just feels so much better. So I was curious to see how this angle is gonna look. I'm gonna be putting it probably right here, just in the middle of my roll cage. Hopefully see everything coming out the front windshield, and hopefully be able to see me driving a little bit. So let's see how that is. All right, so here is the angle. Also, I have some mounts for my helmet I might put on. Also gonna try to do a lot of recording on my phone this weekend, so hopefully get you guys a nice good video. I haven't shot a video in a long time. I actually haven't been drifting in a really long time, so I'm really excited for this event. But I guess this is gonna be the end of the video. I will try to have this video up by the end of tonight, and I'll see you guys Sunday.